So hello everyone, this side Chandra Prakash.
Hi Chandra, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So today I'm going to cover how to find best agency for scheduling because we have completed the session on scheduling on different KPIs and different logics. So now the main problem that we are facing, how to decide the shift. So would request you all please mute yourself because I'm getting background noise from your side. Thank you. So before starting anything, just wanted to confirm from you all, how many of you attended a scheduling session or you have watched the videos?
I have.
I have also attended the session.
Okay, great.
I have also, but not completed all.
Okay. So in entire scheduling session, what I understand, I have not explained how to define the shift, right? So that's why I'm here to cover that as well, because we know entire process of scheduling and we don't know how to find the best shift for efficient schedule. So we cannot do the correct, proper scheduling, right? So earlier also have covered this, but yes, again, just want to cover because this was like requested by the people in the group. So I decided to conduct again. So before going ahead with the shift alignment, just wanted to recover the inflex and efficiency. So how many of you aware about a schedule inflex and schedule efficiency? Yes, no, maybe anything.
I know about scheduling efficiency.
Okay, go ahead.
Scheduling efficiency is required minus schedule, or you can say schedule minus required. The net staffing.
Okay, so are you
It is the
talking about the
percentage of that.
overs and unders?
Yes, correct. Overs and unders.
Okay, so is there anyone else who wants to try?
So I think efficiency is something that, like how efficient our agent against the requirement, so that we can meet our goals.
Correct. So efficiency, when we talk about, so efficiency is basically how closely we are meeting to the requirement. Whatever schedule that we have provided to the operations, we have scheduled the agents, how closely we are meeting to the requirement. So let's suppose here we have 10 agents, required agents 10, and we have scheduled 15, and also we have the shrinkages like 15% in office and out of office shrinkage. So the open number that we are getting after all the shrinkages, that is 11, and now efficiency is 94%. So let me cover one by one first. So first of all, a schedule inflex, shift inflex, or a schedule inflexibility or shift inflexibility. Everything is same, so don't need to be confused. Okay. Now, a schedule inflex is a variance against the requirement, and in other language, you can also select it's a wastage of the resources. We'll tell you how. So the formula that we have for a schedule inflex, required minus schedule open divided by required. Okay. So I am taking random number here. My requirement is 10 agents and I have a schedule 15 just because of the syncages. Here what I have done is first of all I have multiplied my in-office linkage, then again multiplied out of office linkage. Is it clear?
Clear, Chandra.
So I hope everyone is aware about open number. What is open number? Open schedule.
Yes, after syncage, how much stuff we get on the for working?
Yeah. So basically your understanding should be about open number. Post syncage number, whatever agents would be available at that moment to take the call. That is open number. Okay.
So we can say like that it is with committed stuff, right?
No, committed is another thing. Yeah, in like yes, in like in production hours model, whatever commitment that you share with client or operations, you can say that because also you commit the post syncage number, right?
Right.
Yeah, that's
Or
good.
we also can say the actual stuff again the
Your
record.
your voice is not audible. Could you please repeat again?
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you're audible but not clear.
Yeah. Let me change it. Maybe.
Okay, so let me move forward. So always we should reduce the inflex, okay, which is most complicated work for the scheduler. Okay, now coming to the schedule efficiency.
Chandra,
Yes, please.
okay, I have some doubt. I can say for more clarity, can I ask some question here?
Kamesh, I cannot hear you properly. Your voice is too low.
Okay, hold on. Am I audible now?
Yes, a bit loud.
Okay, so my question is, like, can I ask one question for to clear one doubt? I can for more clarity.
Yes, please. Go ahead.
All right. So in very first, in you have mentioned required is 10 and the schedule is 15. So my question is like you have already mentioned in office linkage 15% and out of office that is 17%. So can you separately in K column or M column can you bring out like what will be the in office I mean number count that
Yeah,
linkage I mean post linkage what will be the number?
yeah. So Kamesh, directly I have multiplied both together. Okay,
No,
so I'm
I
deleting.
got your point. I got one. My
Yeah,
question is if we can pull out separately and then we can minus from our cities, will it come the same or not?
yeah, it will come same. So here I'm doing that effort.
Please.
This
Bracket 1 minus
mul
15%.
multiply by 15%. Okay, now I'm reducing this number from here. Again, I will apply the 17%.
Okay.
Now I will do minus from here to this. So this is close to 11.
Exactly. Same I was. And but this.
If the shrinkage is zero,
Sorry.
then the answer will be, if the shrinkage is zero, then the answer will be negative, or we need to use absolute formula.
Yeah, always we will use absolute formula here. So are you talking about in the shrinkages?
Yes, if the shrinkage is zero,
So there will not be any impact. Why will apply the formula?
what will be the inflex if the shrinkage is zero? We are taking requirement as
No.
10 and scheduled as 15.
So just see this formula. Already I've taken here the absolute. Okay.
No, he's asking like we are not taking the shrinkage, then it will be like required 10, again 10 minus like 15 and then divided by 10.
Correct, correct. Then that would be scheduled complex required minus
Yeah,
schedule are
exactly.
the very required.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's don't waste the time. Let me move forward. Okay. So as I have written the formula, required minus the schedule, open, divide by required. So I have applied the same formula. You can use that. Now in the efficiency part, 1 minus schedule in place. So I have taken the same assumptions, and what I have done is I have done minus the schedule influx from 1 directly. One minus my influx. So this is how I will get my efficiency. Okay. I hope it is clear.
Yes, all good.
Clear.
Yes,
Now coming here. So here I have taken 36 intervals, 36 half an hour interval. Okay. So let me put the requirement first here. Or let me open another file. So let's suppose this is my requirement. Okay. So this is my requirement. Now how will I decide the numbers? So already I've taken here 49. Okay. So my requirement is 49, and so before starting this, let me tell you, taking this complete requirement here. So I hope everyone is aware how do we calculate the DOW profile. So I will take some. and this is how I will get weightage of my daily value. Correct?
Yes.
So in same pattern, whatever headcount would be available in that particular process, we will decide. So let's suppose for entire week, the total headcount that we have 60 approved headcount, 60 or 70, let's take. So if my agent is logging in for the day in a week for 5 days, okay. So I will multiply my this to 5. Now okay, so this is how I got my number for this particular day. So 51 agents will be on Monday.
Okay.
So here I'm taking 51. So we will go in options. Now we'll click on add-ins. Now again we'll on go. Then we will add in from here. Okay. So once it is added, it will reflect in data tab. Okay. So what here I've done is, first of all, let me delete everything from here. We have 10 minutes. We can do that. Telling you everything from starting. So these are my shifts. Okay, I've taken the shifts 0, 0 hours, 30 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6, and 9. So these many shifts those I've taken here. Now this is my shift. So what here I've done is, this is the range. So my 0 shift will end at 8:30. Now this will start at 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9. So you can take shift as per your requirement. Okay, so you can take the shift in every half an hour as per your requirement. So this was like 51. Now, how do we set the solver? So this schedule headcount those we have, we will do some of these numbers. Here I've taken 25% of shrinkage, that is flat. So that you can take as per your process, as per your assumptions on interval level. This multiply by 1 minus shrinkage. ABS required minus open. Okay. And here I've applied the formula of efficiency. How? 1 minus sum of this divided by sum of my requirement. Is there any doubt anyone has so far?
No.
Okay, sounds good. Now let's go to solver. Okay, so as we discuss the efficiency, so my efficiency percent should be close to 100. Okay, because we are saying that how closely we are meeting to the requirement, correct? So this particular cell should be on max by changing this. My this should be equal to my schedule. My schedule head count should not be more than 51 as we have decided based on the DOW, correct? Now again we will add, and my this range should not be in decimal, so we will take as integer because my head count cannot be in decimal, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we will click on OK. So now my solver is set. So whenever we will click on solve, so this is how we can plot the agents. So with these many head counts, we can plot agents. In first shift, there would be 10 agents. This shift is not required. In this particular shift, we need at least one agent. Again, we have 5, 6, and then in the last shift, we have 32. Because the call arrival pattern that we have taken, that is based on the random number. Okay, but yes, whenever you will take the call arrival pattern of any particular process, how call lands to the IVR, so that will give another result.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the task that you need to do for entire week. So this was for Monday. Okay, so in Monday what I will do is, in this particular set I will recommend to the operations that you need to put 10 agents, 1 agents, 5 agents, in such a way. Okay, again we will take the requirement of another day, that would be, I think, same. So it's a bit change, because here I had changed the number na, from 8 to 24, so that's why there was 79 and there is 76, and head count is 50. So what I'll do is I will change the head count here, 50, and again I will run this, go on solver. Okay, so it will directly change based on the input that we have given to the solver.
Got it.
If anyone has any kind of doubt in this particular session that we have discussed so far, so please go ahead. And I don't want that you guys are attending this session and you have confusion, because this is really most important for schedulers. And always a scheduler face problem at the time of scheduling, just because of this particular reason. Because manually, if you will go inside and look into the shifts and requirement and all, so it is a bit difficult, and it's very complicated. So one by one, what we can do is we can take the requirement from here and we can run the solver. Based on that, we can suggest the shift to the operations. Okay, so now it's your turn. You can come up with the questions if you have. Yeah, so also just want to, we have still 6 minutes. So just want to tell you all. So whenever we discuss about shift inflexibility or schedule inflexibility and efficiency. So we have multiple things to know. Okay. So Inflex, loss, accuracy, and efficiency. Okay. So let's suppose required number, and this is my post shrinkage, I mean open number. Hundred out of 100, we have 110 agents or 105 agents. So my accuracy should be 105%. Okay. My loss should be we will not take absolute here. Okay. If I plotted access resources, then there would be loss only. Divide by 100. If you talk about Inflex, ABS, required minus open, divide by required. So this is my Inflex, and here there will not be impact if it is going 95, then my Inflex will be same, and if it is going 95, so there will not be any loss. So what I'll do is I will apply formula. If this is less than 0, then it should be 0, else 0%. Okay, so let's complete first this logic. I will apply the formula. Okay, less than. Okay, now in efficiency, we are aware 1 minus my Inflex. So I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Okay, so we have 2 minutes left. Okay, I hope you are aware with this calculation. Now, this is really very most important thing because most of the interviews, this is most asked question: accuracy, loss, Inflex, and efficiency. Okay, so that's all for today from my end. We have another session that is on volume distribution. That is at 2:30. So would request you all please join. And now for this, expecting feedback from you all. Thank you.
Thank you,
you.
Raj. Very nice
Thank
session.
you.
So thank you everyone. You just share your feedback in group as well so that others will be motivated and
Thank
join.
you.
Chandra,
Yes,
So,
please.
Chandra.
am I audible, Chandra?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I was saying, could you please share the sheet with us?
So expecting from you all that you are working on it, because I'm telling everything from scratch. You know, why doing this from scratch? Because everything should be clear to everyone. It will not take more than 20 to 30 minutes to work on it. If
Yeah.
you have any kind of confusion, just to let me know. I will help you out over there.
Okay.
Time is up now.